What if I told you a battery can work using carbon dioxide? Yes, the same gas we call harmful for the environment could soon help power thousands of homes. India's biggest power company, NTPC, is building a CO2 battery in Karnataka, and this might be the future of clean energy storage. We all know batteries. They're in phones, laptops, and even electric cars. Most of these use lithium, a metal that's mined from the earth. But this new battery, it's completely different. It uses carbon dioxide, CO2, the gas we usually try to reduce in the atmosphere. This technology was invented by an Italian company called Energy Dome, and now NTPC is bringing it to India. The battery at Kudgi power plant will store 160 megawatt-hours of energy, enough to power thousands of homes for an entire day. Here's how this amazing battery works. CO2 gas is collected and stored inside a giant dome. Then it is compressed into a liquid using electricity. The liquid CO2 is stored in tanks under high pressure. When we need electricity, the liquid is heated back into gas. This gas spins a turbine, and that spinning motion generates electricity. After the cycle, the same CO2 gas is returned to the dome, ready to be reused. It's like a loop charge, use recharge again and again. This battery is special for many reasons. It reduces greenhouse gases by reusing carbon dioxide. It avoids harmful lithium mining. It can last more than 25 years. It is great for storing large amounts of energy for long durations. Yes, it loses 20 to 25% energy during use, which is slightly more than lithium-ion batteries. But lithium-ion batteries lose performance with time. CO2 batteries are built for the long run. India is rapidly growing its solar and wind energy capacity. But the biggest problem with renewable energy is, how do we store it? That's where CO2 batteries come in. They can store energy generated during the day and release it at night or whenever needed. This could be a major step in making India more energy independent and environmentally friendly. So the next time someone says CO2 is just a harmful gas, tell them it might actually power our future. Pretty cool, right? Stick around, because here comes your quiz. What gas is used in a CO2 battery? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. What is the energy storage capacity of the NTPC CO2 battery at Kudgi? A. 16 megawatt-hours. B. 160 megawatt-hours. C. 1,600 megawatt-hours. Which company developed the CO2 battery technology? Is it A. Tesla, B. Energy Dome, or C. Power Grid? How long can CO2 batteries typically last? Is it A. 5 to 10 years, B. 15 years, or C. more than 25 years? Type your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.